Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Windows 11 beta version. Following that, how you can install it in a virtual machine environment. So, the first step is that you have to search in Google Windows 11 beta. Following that, open the very first page that appears. This will be this page. Now, following that, you can see that here is written Meet the Windows Insider Program. You have to first register here, and then you will be able to download the ISO of the Windows 11 beta or the development program. Following that, then you will be able to test any feature of the Windows once they are released. So I have already a Microsoft account. As you can see, currently I am using it to sign in. So the signing in is pretty much simple. All I have to do is enter the email address, and then it's going to send a notification to my phone. All I have to do is just simply press 78 on the Microsoft Authenticator application in my cell phone. This will be done in a moment instantly. Wait a moment, I have okay, that is 78. Approve. So as you can see, it has signed me in. Now I am going to go ahead and download the ISO. In case if you do not have a Microsoft account, or if you are not part of the Windows Insider program, you can just sign up directly from there. Anyway, from here you can see that it is saying that you can open the settings, and then from here you can join your current Windows 11 or Windows 10 settings into the Insider program, which I am not going to do anything about that. So as you can see, here it is written that if you install an Insider preview build, you can always switch the channels among them. And then so also here is written that you can install Windows 11 here, or have the download issues, you can always download the ISO. But the most general method is that you have to sign in and then click on get started, and then it's going to just simply directly download the required stuff using the Windows update, and you will be simply joined using the Windows Insider program. However, I am not going to do anything with my actual computer because the insider program details or the developer program, they are not stable. So for that reason, I'll be using the virtual machine. That's why I have to download the ISO. So as you can see, first let me turn off the ad blocker, because aside from that, it's going to also block some of the scripts that the Microsoft website is using. So for now, as you can see, I am already signed in, and then from here you can see these are the details. For the moment, you can here take a look here at the version of the Windows that you are looking for. For instance, I am looking for the Windows 11. From here it's asking that choose an edition of the Windows that you are comfortable with. So as you can see, there is the dev channel, the beta channel, and then the release preview channel. So the release preview channel is a bit stable version, then the beta is not completely stable, and then there is also the development channel, which is entirely not stable. So if you have the audacity to test anything out, just go ahead in the developer in the dev channel, just download that one. For now, I'll be using the latest version of the beta release version, which is 22.631. That is the latest release. So I'll be downloading that. Click confirm, choose the language. I'll be choosing English International, and now click confirm. Following that, you have to just simply click 64-bit download. Now it is going to download the ISO of the Windows 11. So it will be consist of all of these its edition: Home, Pro, and Enterprise. This will be included within this. I don't think Enterprise will be included, but so far that will be. So anyway, this is how I have downloaded the ISO of the Windows 11 beta version. So as you can see, I have already an ISO of available that here, and it is 26 uh, 0110. That is the version, that is one version down. However, it is going to do the job for installing the Windows inside a virtual machine. So the next step is you need to install a virtual machine using the VMware. So you can use the VMware Player, or you can always use the VMware Workstation Pro. So both of them, the installation process are pretty much simple. There is not anything hard that you won't be able to do. Just make sure that you search for VMware Workstation Player. Now simply download it for your Windows and then install it in your system. As you can see, I have already installed. The installation process is pretty much simple. Just open the installer, just double click, next, and then install. The installation will be done easily. So for the moment, let's just go ahead and close that one. I am going to launch the VMware Workstation Player. So if you are using a free version, then you will not be so you should not face any issue. So let's just go ahead and make it full screen, and now simply select create a new virtual machine. From here select I will install the open system letter, or select installer disk, and then from here go ahead and choose the Windows 11. So as you can see, currently it's saying that it's not detecting the ISO. Just ignore it for the moment, click next, and now from here you have to select the Microsoft Windows. So from here Microsoft Windows 11 x 64-bit is recommended, so since we are already testing that one. And now click next. So it is asking what you want to name it, and then click browse and where you want to save it. So I'll be saving it into another drive of my called drive D, and then there is also the folder called VM, and I'll be making it new folder. I'll be naming 11 bit. Okay, so okay, go ahead and like click next, and now it's asking that the Windows 11 requires encryption. If you have remembered that one of the most the required stuff, or the requirement for Windows 11, is the TPM and the secure boot. So trusted platform module is really required. So whenever you are trying to install Windows 11 inside a virtual machine, it is by default asking that you must encrypt it in order to test it these inside your computer. So from here it's saying that choose encryption type. You can encrypt all of the virtual machine, including the VMDK, VMX, etc., or you can simply encrypt or simply add a TPM. That's simply going to bypass the TPM requirement. So for now, I'll be choosing all the files. And now from here, you have to simply create a password. The passwords must be at least 8 character, because without that, you won't go any step further. So for the moment, click next. Now choose the storage. I'll be choosing around 200 GB. So because yeah, I'll be testing some stuff, or maybe I have to increase it around 300 GB, because that will be needed. So now click next, and from here choose customize hardware, and make sure that the amount of RAM is 4 GB. And you have to also make sure that, okay, I will not be editing here, just make sure that the amount of RAM is 4 GB. Now click close, and now click finish. Okay, once it is done, we have to customize the uh, hardware. So for instance, we have to check if TPM has been added or no. So as you can see, TPM module has been added, and we must not do anything else. So it means if the TPM has been added there, so the secure word has also been applied there. So there is nothing else we have to do here. Just close it, and now just go ahead, click on play the virtual machine from here or from the top. That doesn't matter. Now it's the installation process is pretty much simple. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and select a language, uh, choose a drive, and then type your username and other stuff. So those are the simple basic stuff that I know you can handle it yourself. So now I will have to simply make it full screen, so it should not bother us anymore. Okay, now choose the language, install now. So as I said before, that the beta version is not stable, so you can see that these are giving me error over and over again. So you have to just simply click next, and then there will be the install now, and following that you have to uh, simply agree to the terms and condition. Okay, it's about the product key, which is not, I can see that I can't see, but I know that I don't have a key product is available here, so that's why I have clicked there. If you install Windows over and over, you will see these options are almost the same. So from here you have to accept the license agreement and then click next, and now choose custom install Windows. And now from here you have to select the drive. So I'll be choosing the main drive, or single drive is enough, so everything will be done inside the drive C. So in case if I needed another drive, I each is a virtual machine, I can just simply add another drive to it, and just like you're adding a new piece of hardware to the main computer. So this is pretty much simple. Now this part is going to take a while. First getting ready for the installation, copying the features, copying the files and everything. So this is going to take a while. For the moment, I'm going to pause the video. Once it's done, I'll be back with you guys. So don't go anywhere. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel of mine. As you can see, these are the basic stuff that you can do it yourself. Choosing your country, choosing the keyboard layout, the region, typing your name and the rest stuff. You can just go ahead through the on-screen instructions and complete them yourself. So this is not a big deal. It's pretty much simple, just like installing Windows. So as we are doing right now. Oh, one more thing. Here you can see that during the installation using the VMware Workstation Player, you will face this error. So you need to fix this out. So to fix the problem, just go ahead to the Manage Virtual Machine Settings. So in case if you see this problem without internet is not going any step further, so just from here you have to select network adapter, choose for instance bridge, and now click replicate physical network connection. So click OK. Wait a moment. So as you can see, currently it's identifying as an internet port. So click next, and now the internet is not right now available here, so it's good to go. You can see that this is the final moment of the installation. Okay, the Windows has now been installed and everything is good to go. However, as you can see that the edges of the screen is not filled completely. It means the drivers are not installed. So to install it, just go to these player and then click on the arrow and choose manage, and now choose install VMware tools. Choose install and just go ahead and install the VMware tools. You can say that it is the driver that is going to enable the graphics and the other features inside the virtual machine. So this is going to, I think, take a while, or maybe not. So wait a moment please. So as you can see, it has been attached. However, the installation has not been available. So just double click on the setup 64. So this is pretty much simple. Just next, again next, next. Sorry, install and wait until the installation completes. The installation has been completed. Now click on finish, and it is asking you to restart the virtual machine. So it click yes to restart it, and then to configure all of the drivers for the virtual machine. So I'll be pausing the video again here. Once it's restarted, then you will see the differences between them. So it has now restarted. Let me enter the password. So as you can see, currently the screen size has been fixed. Now I can easily drag and drop files between the virtual machine and the host, and everything is good to go. Now you can go ahead and test anything that you would like. But before going a step further, I have something to tell you. So there is this feature called snapshot. I don't know if that is available in the free version of these VMware or no. Okay, that is not available. So however, in the VMware Workstation Pro, there is a feature called snapshot. Now, with the power of the snapshot, you can just simply copy the current state of your virtual machine, and you can just simply take it as a backup. Now, whatever changes you are going to do in your system, just do it. However, uh, after testing anything, if your system fails, you can just simply click on the snapshot and it will restore your system to the state it was in. So for now, it is not here. As you can see, for now, I'm going to shut down this and I will be opening it using the VMware Workstation Pro. Or without opening, I can just simply take a snapshot, and that snapshot will be used for any further changes if I have to do. If something goes wrong, I can just simply uh, return back to the normal. So that has been turned off. Now let me open the VMware Station Pro. So from here, as you can see, I can't seem to find it. So just click on Open Virtual Machine, go to the location where it was saved, uh, their VM directory, and now that was 11 beta. Now click Open, and now choose this VMX file. Okay, as you can see, if I have to go to the VM, here you can see there is the snapshot. I can just simply click Take Snapshot. I will just simply type it installed Windows. You can also write a description for it. If you do not need it, just close it. So this is the simplest method that you can simply test any Windows 11 beta on your virtual machine without damaging your computer or your main hard drive. So I hope you have liked this tutorial. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. So for now, have a nice day, goodbye, and I will meet you guys in the next video.